Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, my dear students, now let's start our lesson. Today, as you see, we are going to have a vocabulary lesson. In that lesson, we are going to study some words with confused. Of course, in English, we have some words with near meanings that we have to show the difference between these words when we come to use them. For example, the first set of words, competition, match, game, race. In general, they have near meanings, but when we use each word, we have to show the difference between all these words. For example, number one, last week's Formula One. Of course, all of us know that Formula One, this is a name of what? Yes, excellent you are. This is a name of a race. Very good. Number two, the boxing space ended in a draw between two brave fighters. Be careful, between two players, between two fighters, between two teams. Of course, when there is an event between two teams, fighters, players, this is called a match. Yes, excellent. You are very good. Number three, do you think I should enter the short story? Yes, when we have a short story event between students or among students. This is called a competition. Very good, excellent one. So when we have a competition, it may be in reading, in writing, in the short story, in poetry, and so on. So this is called a competition. Number four, I like watching squash, but I don't understand all the rules of what? Of the game. Yes, very good. So when we talk about different kinds of sports like football, basketball, volleyball, and so on, these are called games. So I like football as a game. But when I play with my friends, for example, this is a match. Okay, let's move to the second set of words. Fans, spectators, participants, audience. All these words mean that people who can see an event, for example. Number five, the space expressed their satisfaction by applauding their speakers. When you are sitting, listening to a speaker talking, and you express your satisfaction by applauding the speaker, now these people are called, yes, what? Audience. Very good. So they are audience. Number six, the writer stopped to sign autographs for his loyal. He stopped to sign autographs to give signature to his loyal fans. Yes, so who is a fan? He is a loyal to a specific person, a famous person, like a player, like a writer. So people who love a specific writer, they are called fans. Or a specific team, like people who like Al Hilal team, they are fans of Al Hilal team or Al Nasr team. Number seven, the rally driver nearly crashed into some space standing at the side of the road. Be careful of this car standing at the side of the road. Who people who are standing at the side of the road watching an event, they are called, yes, spectators. Very good, excellent one. So when you see an event that's happening at the same time, now you are a spectator. Okay, yes. Number eight, all space in today's fun race must go to the starting line. Who must go to a starting line or the starting line? People who are going to take part in the race. People who are going to take part in the race are called, yes, participants. Yes, participants. Okay, now, my dear students, let's move to the third set of words in our lesson. We are going to differentiate between using three verbs: take part, take apart, take place. Be careful of take part, take apart, take place. Of course, all these three verbs start with take, but there is a big difference between take part, take apart, take place. For example, number nine, the 2008 Olympic Games in Beijing. Of course, I talk about this event that It happened in Persian. So when I talk about an event that happened, something that happened, now I use this verb, take place. Take place means to happen. But here I talk about a past event. So I have to change this verb from the first form to the second form to the past form. So take place will be took place. Very good. Number 10. Are you going to space in the drawing competition? I ask you, are you going to participate? What does it mean for someone to participate in an event, for example? Yes, take part. Very good. So take part means to be a part of an event. Number 11, be careful. Do you really know how to space the car engine? If you want to fix your car and you have to deal with the engine, you can take parts out, you can fasten other parts. So this action can be described as to take apart. So when you deal with a car engine, for example, by taking some parts away or fixing other parts, this is called take apart. So take apart means to fix something or to learn how to fix something. Okay? Yes. To the last set of words, my dear students, single, alone, only, unique, lonely. When you not or when you look at these words, you can guess that all these words mean what? Only one or few number, something like that. But be careful of the use of these words. Number 12, a number of space diamonds are on display in the museum. What's a museum? Museum, this is a place where you can find rare things. What are rare things? Things which are not found in other places, like museums. Okay? These items can be described as what? Yes, yes, unique. Very good, excellent job. So unique, when I describe something that it's unique, this means that there is nothing similar to this thing. Okay? Number 15, our son isn't married. He is not married. Isn't married means single. He is very good. So the person who is still single means that he is not married. He is very good. Number 14, where you space when you heard the burglar break into the house, when you tell your students that you, the last night, for example, or yesterday, you heard a burglar uh, who broke into the house. He asks you, were you alone? Yes, very good. Were we alone? When you are alone in a place, this means that nobody else is with you in that place. Number 15, my grandfather feels. So here we are talking about what? We are talking about feeling. So when I feel that I am I am the only person in the place, this feeling can be described as lonely. Yes, excellent you are. So my grandfather feels lonely since my grandmother passed away, since my grandmother died. So here lonely means feeling that he is the only person in a place. Okay. The last point, number 16. These children under the age of 3, children under the age of 3 only may enter for free. They can enter without any charge, without paying. So only this or only children under the age of 3. Okay, now I hope, my dear students, you benefited a lot from this lesson. Thank you very much. I hope, inshallah, we can meet again soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.